stop playing with him.
Devinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be revamping this old weave hair, and I'm actually gonna be installing this weave too. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to wash this hair because it's literally been in this bag for like 2 years. This is what it's looking like. I don't even remember where this hair is from, but I have a full review and a whole video on it, so I'll be able to figure that out for you. So I got 2 options of combs that we're gonna use to detangle this hair. So I just dampened the hair so I could detangle it, so it can be easier for me to actually wash for all of this. Holding it together and combing. And since I already got these 2 together, I'm gonna wash them. So I'm gonna revamp the hair. This Miracle is a 10. I'm gonna go on with this stuff first. Then I'm gonna use the Shimmer Lights shampoo just because this is blonde and I want the hair to be less bronzy and more ashy. I'm gonna let this, what do you call this? Shampoo just sit in the hair. So I'm just folding the hair like this, so it's easier to comb out and it's easier to manage like this. I'm gonna wet it. Got the wet hair, start at the bottom. We make sure we hold onto the top. For me, it's easier to detangle curly hair, especially curly weave, when it's wet. I haven't done a weave, especially on myself, in a minute, so this hairstyle should be super easy and very beginner friendly. Let that soak in the hair. So far, this is all the hair we have. It's soaking in the shampoo. Okay, so we have all the hair detangled. This is what all the hair looks like. It's detangled. We've got shampoo all throughout it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse the shampoo out, but we're gonna go in with the Shimmer Light shampoo. Just finish washing the hair. So after you wash it with the purple shampoo, it just kind of almost like tones the hair a bit. So I'm gonna go smoke a blunt and let this sit in the hair. The hair is currently chillaxing. I'm gonna let it chill for like 25-30 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out and use this conditioner, the Shimmer Lights conditioner, and I also use the shampoo just in case you guys wanted to see what it looks like. I'm gonna let the hair sit for a bit, then I'm gonna use the shampoo, then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I install it, okay?